Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the main melody of the soundtrack from the movie Mission Impossible. It's a really easy melody to play on the guitar. We're not going to use chords and we're going to use only the 4th, 5th and 6th string in standard tuning. So just take your guitar and let's begin. We start with the 3rd finger, ring finger, on the 3rd fret in the 6th string. And we play this 2 times, but we have a rest in the middle, so we have to lift the finger a little bit. We don't need to take the finger away from the string, just stop pushing. Okay? And then we come with the index finger to the 5th string, 1st fret, and 3rd fret of the 5th string. That's the first measure. Okay, and then we come to the second measure that starts in the same way with those 2 threes. But now we come to the 1st fret of the 6th string and 2nd fret of the 6th string. So when you put together the measures 1 and 2, it sounds like this. Okay, let's try that one together. 1, 2, 3 and... One more time. 1, 2, 3 and... Nice, and then we have to repeat exactly the same way on the measures 3 and 4. I show you one time the whole line, measures 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and now let's try together. 1, 2, 3 and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3 and... Nice, and then when we come to the second line from measure 5, we have to play exactly the same, but we moved everything 1 string down. So we start from the 5th string and we play exactly the same. Okay? And this time we are going to play it 2 times as well. So let's try together. From the measure 5. So we play measure 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and... Okay? So now we can put together line 1 and 2 from the beginning. 1, 2, 3 and... And we change the string. Nice. And then we arrive to the measure 9, 3rd line. And it's just coming back to the 6th string. So we play again the same as we did in the beginning. I wrote 2 times there as well and just end on the 3rd fret. When you listen to the original song, they just play it many times in many different ways, so just use your fantasy and do as you want. But I'm going to show you one time from the beginning and then we try together. Okay, and now let's try together. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was Mission Impossible. Remember to subscribe to my channel to be updated with my upcoming videos, and if you liked this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there is any song that you want to play and you don't find it in my website, just leave me a comment and I'm going to try to do that video. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.